There are 3 things I look for in a product: non-toxic, most bang for my buck, and if possible, multi-purpose. Let's talk about non-toxic. Hypochlorous is organic. I mean, there is nothing closer to non-toxic than that. And the bang for my buck, it is way cheaper to make my own hypochlorous than to buy those teeny tiny bottles from other companies for like 85 bucks a pop. Yet the quality is just as good, if not better. And multi-purpose, don't even get me started. It is like Windex from my big fat Greek wedding, only much better for you and the environment. I not only use it as a disinfectant, I also use it as an air freshener and a deodorizer. I put it in my laundry for stinky towels. I use it as a skincare product because it's really good for acne and wrinkles. I use it as an eczema treatment because I have eczema inside my ear canals. Like, seriously, what the heck? I use it as a boo-boo spray for my kids' scratches. We take it on hikes for hand sanitizer. I use it as a sore throat spray for when I feel that tickle in my throat and I don't want to get sick. I use it as an illness prevention because you can spray it in your eyes, your ears, your mouth, your nose. My son came home from school one day with pink eye, so I had him lay down, close his eyes. I put 2 drops in the corner of his eye, open his eye so it would go in. The very next day, the pink was practically gone. If you compared between the 2 eyes, you could tell the eye that had pink eye wasn't quite fully there yet. So he kept treating him with like 2 drops every 3 times a day, and he healed super quick. We've used it as a fungal spray for our plants, and I am planning on using it for a preservative for our long-term water storage for emergency preparedness when I finally fill up our water tanks. And I am sure I will continue to find even more uses for this amazing product as I continue to use it. I mean, seriously, I'm an intuitive decluttering coach, and this one product alone has replaced so many things in our house, including toxins. And with it being kid safe, your kids are never too young to help you clean the house. Just give them a rag and a hypochlorous spray bottle and let them have fun spraying every surface in the house, including your fur babies.